Hello guys, and welcome to Epic Mentorship. In today's video I want to share with you how to convert a video to an audio using VLC Media Player. As you all know, VLC is a very known software that can be used to view our media, different kind of media, either music, either audio, video, or different kind of media that we can bring in, and it has the power, the capability to convert from one format to another. Okay, so in this video we are going to learn how to convert a video into an audio. So to do that, all you need to do is start by coming to the start menu here and just search VLC Media Player, and you can see it over here. Just click on it, and this is the VLC platform. We need to import a video that we can convert to an audio. So let's say we want to open a video from, okay, so let's say we have this video, this intro video, so we can just drag and drop it and it will play it. So this is a video and we want to convert it to an audio. We want to extract the audio part of it. So all you need to do is to come to file, to the media over here, and you can come to convert/save, and you can come here and we can just say add. So we can add the video, for example this one. So we just come here, it's an intro, so we bring it in and you can see it. So we can say convert all the way, and this is the source, and we want to convert it to audio MP3. You can convert to other formats, but for now we are going with audio MP3. Okay, so this is the destination. You have to specify which destination you want to send this file. So at this point you can choose whether you want to use a subtitle or not. If you want to use a subtitle, you can click on this to add, and you can browse to the location where you have it saved, and then you can bring it in. If you don't have, then you can uncheck this, and you can come over here and say convert, and you can specify this is the source and this is just to convert to this format. We want it to convert to this format, and you can see the destination file, so you can just click. So specify it over here in the music. You give it a name, let's say an intro, audio intro, and you can just save and we click on start, and it has just converted. So all you need to do is to come over to the files over here and go straight to music, and you can see it over here as audio intro. It has just converted it to audio, so you can double click to check. You can see it has just removed the video and convert it into an audio. So you can see the file format as well. If you right click and come to show more options, and you come to properties, and you can see it has converted it to MP3. Okay, this is MP3 audio file format. So ladies and gentlemen, this is how to convert a video into an audio using the VLC Media Player. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to give it a thumbs up and always hit the like and subscribe button to stay connected to this channel for more of our very useful videos. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.